first or second is what it's going to take. Arm your quads. Live on the tone, less than 5. Yeah, buddy. Race number 12 of the 14 heat program, and this could be one of the tightest ones as we watch Flying J and Engineer coming out of that tower together. Engineer now with a little bit of breathing room, about a 2-gate lead over Flying J. And Boomerang FPV and Don't Break, 3rd and 4th. Engineer with a 29.5 to start things off. Boomerang FPV and Flying J right together, 2nd and 3rd through our start-finish date. On to lap number 2, and it is a 3-lap race. One more to get onto our lead lap. Here comes Don't Break. Across line we go. Everyone working on lap number 2. Engineer still killing it, doing that step-down carousel over the hurdle midway of the course. And now onto lap number 3 at 26.0 for Engineer. He had a 5-second lead over Boomerang FPV. That is now going to be a lot longer. It's going to be Flying J now moving up into the number 2 spot. He's working at the Stitch It Up section. And Engineer about to lap the field here on this 3rd and final lap. That is making a statement. If the quad is going to survive, I don't know, he may have pushed it too much. You hear him simmering down a little bit. Don't Break and Flying J getting on to lap number 3. Engineer crossing over just behind him, so he didn't lap him, but I mean, it was only by about a second that he didn't. And now we're still battling out for 2nd and 3rd. Engineer does get the win, but who is going to race with him back-to-back right about now? Is it going to be Don't Break, or will it be Flying J? Stitch It Up section, high side. It's going to be Don't Break, guys. It's going to be Don't Break. Don't Break is still alive, pulling up 2nd. Yeah, we'll slide 3rd to Flying J, 4th to Boomerang FPV. And so, 2 races to go, and we are racing back-to-back. Engineer, Don't Break, you're up right now. We finished 7th and